Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unpair and forget a controller or a Bluetooth device on your PlayStation 4. So I have my PS4 controller here. I want to go ahead and forget and connect it to my phone. Now I want to go up to the top and then go on over to Settings and select this. Then go on down to Devices. Then under here, let's go to Bluetooth Devices on the top. Now select your controller that you want to forget. Now you will need two controllers if you want to go ahead and forget the one you're using. So for me to forget this specific controller, you can see I'm connected. I happen to have another controller connected. So I'm going to turn this one on. And I will have to log into another profile. So I'm going to log in. Now the first controller is the one I want to forget, which is this blue controller. Then I'm going to select it with X. Then I will have options under here. So let's press options. Then we can go to Forget Device. Now, go to OK. The following device will be forgotten, DualShock 4. Now it's removed from my list, and I will have to reconnect it. So I'm going to press the PlayStation button and the sharing button at the same time. The light bar will begin to blink, and it should show up under this list. I'm going to go ahead and scroll on down to it with this controller, select it, and then register it back to my PlayStation 4, log into an account, and my controller is now reconnected to my PS4. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixTech.